Hello, in this video we will be showing you how you can access the ScienceDirect e-resource on and off campus. On the library canvas page, just scroll down to the main menu and click on the Access e-resources icon. From the list of options available, just click on the Journals icon. Now on the Journals icon, just scroll down until you find the ScienceDirect logo and then just click on that. Now on the ScienceDirect page, just click on the logo to access this e-resource. You will now find yourself on the ScienceDirect main page. On the top right of the screen, you will see a sign-in button. Just click on that. And now on the following screen, just click on the Sign In via your institution button. You will now be asked to find your institution. In the search bar where it asks you to type in the name of your institution, just type in Northwest Regional College. And when that appears as an option underneath, just select that. And then just click on the Access Through Northwest Regional College button. Finally, you'll be asked to enter in your username and password. Just enter in your 8-digit user ID, followed by your password, and then finally click the Login button.